These exercises are great for healing, strengthening, and flattening your core after pregnancy. We're going to start with easier exercises and then work our way up to the more challenging exercises. I will also have modifications if you have diastasis recti or you've been cleared after a C-section. Watch your midline, or you can even take a video during the exercises. Ensure that you're not getting any coning or bulging down your midline. It's normal that it can be challenging to reconnect with your deep inner core muscles after pregnancy. We're gonna practice a 360 breath. So as we breathe in, we're gonna expand through our ribs 360 degrees around, keeping your shoulders relaxed, and then exhale, we can lift and pull in, ribs come down. With time and practice, you should feel that connection come back to your core again. Every month I put out a new postpartum workout calendar where you get a different video for every day of the month. You can find the newest month in the community tab of my channel. Coming to hands and knees, our first exercise will be a warm-up. We'll move into cat and cow in hip circles. As we exhale, you can round out. Inhale, keeping your core pulled in, look up, tilt your tailbone up. Moving with your own breath. Let's come back to neutral spine. We'll take some hip circles. Going the other way. Coming back to tabletop position, let's make a C shape looking towards your tailbone. C shape the other way. We're gonna set up for bird dog. Re-engage your core, zipper up. Lifting opposite leg and arm. Ensuring not to sway through your low back.
I wouldn't be surprised, 'cause it happens every time. And now I'm feeling sick.
Exhale, really squeezing your core.
Baby, tell me why. Do I do this every time? I'm not good at loving you, but I'll try time and time again. Kiss me now and tell me why you're still here. 'Cause I'm no stranger to loving. I'm no stranger to falling apart. Stranger to secrets and monsters and demons. I'm scared of the dark.
Come down onto our forearms, extend one leg back behind us. We're gonna draw rainbows, ensuring our hips aren't swaying back and forth at all. Core is strong and engaged.
Yeah, drunk on a Saturday night. Suddenly your hand fits perfectly in mine. Yeah, and all my fears and all my flaws, you see through it all. Kiss me now and tell me why you're still here. 'Cause I'm no stranger to loving. I'm no stranger to falling apart. No stranger to secrets and monsters and demons. I'm scared of the dark. I'm no stranger to fighting. I'm no stranger to playing with us. No stranger to secrets and monsters.
Let's set up on the other side.
So leave the light.
Tap on the outside, rainbow across, squeeze your inner thighs as you cross. Ensure your hips aren't rocking. The core work comes from the stability here. Neck is long, shoulders rolling down your back.
I'm no stranger to falling apart. No stranger to secrets and monsters and demons. I'm scared of the dark. Memories follow me left and right. I can feel you over here. I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now? Ever since the day
Beautiful. Coming back up onto our hands, we're gonna move into scapula push-ups. We're gonna retract our shoulder blades together, tuck our toes, and then as we spread them apart, our knees are gonna lift off. We're gonna hold for 5, releasing down again. Exhale as we lift. Inhale, breath at the bottom, retract your shoulder blades. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Retract, inhale into your ribs. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release down. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Retract your shoulder blades, moving down, pressing into your hands, release down. We're gonna move into our bear hover and hold this time. If you have diastasis recti, just press your knees into the ground rather than lifting off. Stay up. Your knees are barely hovering. If you wanted to add some Kegels to this position, you absolutely can. Core stays strong.
Take up every corner of my mind. Your love stays with me day and night.
Beautiful. Release down. Let's shake it out. We can grab a sip of water.
I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. What you gonna do now?
Let's come and sit right on our sit bones, legs in front. We're gonna do a modified roll down here where we're just tucking our pelvis under, lifting up again. If you're getting any bulging or coning, you can do pelvic tilts laying on your back. Exhale as you reach up. We're gonna quickly get into a side plank position here. For advanced, you can keep one leg up or it can be down. Pulling your core in, we're gonna reach through and up. Exhale, using your core. For the next one, you can face the back of the room. You won't be able to see me, exact same thing. And then we'll get on our back for the next exercise. So carefully rolling over, lifting your top leg up, re-engaging your core, reaching through as you exhale, lifting your arm up. Releasing all the way down on your side first. So you're laying down on your side, then rolling over onto your back. Let's exhale, both knees up. We can extend one at a time, or you can do heel slides on the ground if you have diastasis recti. Exhale as you extend. Getting ready for modified hundreds. You can leave your shoulders on the ground if you have diastasis recti, or lift them off. Pulse here for advanced. You can straighten your legs. Tiny pulses. Amazing, release down. Let's stretch our arms out, keeping your ribs pulled in to protect your core. Let's take our knees as we exhale into our chest. If you have diastasis recti, just hug here, or you could move into happy baby. If you don't have diastasis recti, it's safe for you. We can move into a reclining twist. Exhale, coming back up through center if you're twisting, switching to the other side. Exhale, coming back up to a centered position. Let's roll over onto our side, getting up safely. We can come on to our knees here. We're gonna walk our hands out behind us, keeping our core engaged, and then press our glutes up, stretching through our shoulders, keeping your ribs pulled in here. Releasing your hips down, beautiful. Rounding out the other way. Releasing out, coming to a cross-legged position. Firmly plant both seat bones into the mat. We'll reach up and over. Exhale, engaging your obliques. Coming up, stretching the other side. Exhale, coming up. I hope your core is feeling strong and tight after that workout, and of course we snuck in some other muscle groups as well. I will link to the whole postpartum playlist right there. You can save it and come back to it whenever you like. If you're looking for a monthly plan, head over to the community tab and you can find the newest monthly workout plan there. I will keep making postpartum workouts every week. If you like videos like these and to support me, subscribe and hit the notification bell.